My name is Katherine Carr. After graduation, I plan to go to Everett Community College. I'm going to work part-time, hopefully in a welding job. I took interest in welding when I was probably around 14, 15 years old, and then I found out about Snow Isle and applied, got in. I've always been someone who's liked to work with my hands, and so it's just like a perfect fit. I love fire, I love heat, and so all of that combined, I think welding was an awesome choice for me. I'm so happy I got into this because it really helps shape where I want to go in life. I also did swim team a lot growing up, and there's a lot of opportunities for underwater welding. I want to make something for someone to look at and to decipher. That's mainly what I want to do with welding, is just art and welding. I'm looking forward to the future because I know that I'm going to be able to move upwards and keep my head high and produce things that I'm happy with. Don't be afraid to use your voice, because your education is your job. It's your job right now. And speaking up for yourself, especially if you feel like you're drowning in your schoolwork or you're not fitting in or your mental health is going down the chute, stand up for yourself, speak out, and just do what you need to do to be successful in your life.